Hi, Crafty Friends. Elise here, the Cheeky Bum, back with the new Scrap Diva April release. Just got in the mail and I'm so excited. You know, if you've been watching my channel at all, you'll know that I've been doing some cowgirl chic swaps. So this cowgirl stuff, I'm so excited. Wish it would have came out before my swap was due, but I really hope that somebody else does a cowgirl swap or Western swap, because I have just been in a cowgirl state of mind since then, and I want to keep on making stuff, and I have plenty of stuff, so I'm so excited. I know she's done a sneak peek on Instagram of a paper collection, so these are going to go so well with that paper collection. I can't wait for that to come out, and I think that she's coming out with ephemera and stickers as well, but I'm not 100% sure. But this is what I've received in the mail so far. So we have a set of stamps. These are really cute. So we have G thanks, howdy, howdy, howdy. This is cute. We have some cowboy boots. We have a lasso. We have this ain't my first rodeo. I don't know what that one says. We have bless your heart and let's go girls. And that is so cute. And that's the cowgirl stamps. This is just a banner. A double stitch fishtail set. So these are good for making banners, shakers, really anything. These are really good to just have the large like paperclip banners and stuff like that. These are just a good staple to have in your collection. And I'm not sure if I have a set like this. I think mine might be more of like the bunting shape, but I'm not 100% sure. But these are good to have in your collection. This is wanted posters. So this is wanted poster nesting set. How cute are these? So it's basically like an old piece of parchment. This would be really good, not just for wanted posters. You could use these for Halloween. I'm thinking like pirate, you know, treasure map, anything vintage, shabby chic. I'm in a Bridgerton swap, and I could do like some kind of like letter or something like that on like this bit of like parchment paper or wanted poster to say. So this is kind of neat. I really like this. Then we have these rosettes. So on this side is an S. I think this is like a $. It just says Western Rosette Set. So we have a star on this side, like a sheriff star, but this would be great for a lot of things. I'm thinking this could be 4th of July. I'm thinking, I don't know, we use stars in so many different things, like any kind of like fairy tale, princess swap, anything like that. We use stars a lot, so I think that this could be really useful. And I think these are $. So that's kind of neat. That's unique. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. That could be fun. So that is the Western Rosette set. And then we have this sheriff's badge. This is so cute. This is a Disco Sheriff Star mini album. Like, how fun is that? So I like that it has like the disco star effect, like the mirrored squares. So this could be so pretty. I can't wait to play with that. And then look at this. This is a little mini saloon. This is a saloon mini album. And there's more pieces. Like, this is gonna be adorable. So stinking cute. Love that. And then look at this cowgirl boot. That is so cute. It says Cowboy Boot mini album. Like, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be so fun. I'm gonna play with this probably like right away. Just because, again, I've been doing cowgirl stuff for months now, so it just makes sense that I'm just gonna fall right into this. So this is really cute. Now all we need is like a big like beer mug, like a stein. Is that what they're called? Beer stein? Like, and we'd be all set. There's so many cool things. I'm not 100% sure if this is everything in the new release or if I got just some of them. I guest designed it last month. She asked me to do this month as well, and I was definitely going to jump on board because, again, I've been doing cowgirl stuff for a while now. So I'm super excited and I can't wait to see all of like the digital stuff or the paper collection when it is released, because I'm definitely going to be jumping on that as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will link everything down below when it's available. This will be available April 1st, and you know, you can click on all the links down below. You can use code CheekyBum if you want to save a 10%, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.